Welcome back. In episode 1, Sam finally stepped off the 9-to-5 hamster wheel and started saving his money in a steel vault. He felt completely safe. Welcome back. A silent thief that can walk right through solid steel. Its name? Inflation. While Sam sleeps, inflation silently eats his money. But there is a silent gold coin 10 years ago, now costs 2. If you are just saving your money in a basic bank account, you are not building wealth. You are just slowly going broke, safely. To actually beat inflation, Sam cannot just be a saver anymore. He must become an investor. You are just his money to work for him 24/7. You see, every single dollar you save is exactly like a tiny employee. If you leave them in a bank, they sleep all day. But if you invest them, they put on hard hats and go to work for you inside the money machine. If you leave them in money, and then those newly built dollars put on hard hats and go to work too. But where exactly should Sam send them? At first, he tries picking individual stocks. He stresses out watching red and green charts all day long. It becomes a second full-time job. At first, Sam discovers the ultimate cheat code of the wealthy, the index fund. Instead of stressing to find the one perfect company, an index fund allows Sam to buy a tiny piece of the top 500 companies all at once. If one company fails, the other 499 carry the weight. An index fund allows automatic and introduces the most powerful force in the financial universe, compound interest. It's like rolling a tiny snowball down a long hill. It is safe, it grows slowly, but as it gets bigger, it picks up more and more snow with every single turn, growing completely out of control. Your homework is to open a brokerage account today. But wait, what if you don't even have enough money left over from your job to invest anything? Your homework is to adding a small portion of his paycheck into his index fund every month. Sam's money machine prints cash faster than he can spend it. By consistently, what if your income is just too low? In episode 3, we will break down exactly how to create a high-income side hustle from scratch. Click the screen to watch now.